Good morning, bye.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Bye.
कस्तो भइरहेको छ त डेनभर?
Well rested, very well rested. हैन केयर कम्फी पेड रहेछ है. अनि the food was good है yesterday.
How was the pillow? How was the pillow?
Oh yeah, pillow was good.
Dailai sonu how was the pillow?
Pillow was awesome.
How was
अनि I loved the dinner last night है. The Korean barbecue was good.
Hot pot?
Hot pot. Thanks for recommendation.
Like कस्तो भइरहेको छ? How it's treating Denver?
So far, Denver is treating very well. Very well.
Sumit bhai, having fun with Dai?
Having so much fun, Dai.
Sumit bhai busy छ पुरा हेर्नु नि
काम यहाँ हेर्नु नि दाइ
म चाहिँ हैन दाइ एकदमै खुसी छु किनभने डेनभर ट्रिप विजय दाइको एकदमै राम्रो भएछ सो आई एम ह्यापी
Good morning from Denver.
Good morning.
Hey.
Are they second in Denver? So where are you going now?
To Rocky Mountain
Rocky
today.
Mountains.
Yeah.
You gonna have fun?
Oh yeah, a lot of fun today. You ready, Yogesh?
Yeah, I'm going to ready.
It's very
Nijo
serious.
ko
Very
was
nice driving.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Nijo driving was nice.
Yeah.
Tal challe da ho.
Pretty much same, but more animals and everything today. Wildlife is good.
Yeah.
And also, I think we should go to the bikes,
Yeah,
right?
that's the plan if time permit.
Yeah, and bikes.
But we'll start from Rocky.
We'll start from Rocky, and on the way, फर्किने बेला train ride.
Yeah.
Ready for day 3? Rocky Mountain.
भाइको प्रोग्राम अस्ति ए विराट अनि कार्कीहरू हुनुहुन्छ एउटा सेल्फी हाल्नु अब मेमोरी अनि भन्दा एकदम
Now we're stopping for lunch, and so we're going for the lunch.
We're going to the barbecue house. It's one of the famous barbecue here in Denver, Colorado.
Okay.
I believe.
So they have drinks too?
Yeah, whiskey first.
Yeah.
Morning coffee.
You're still playing with the codeine, never gonna break your head. I'm still trying not to be nice, think twice, everybody's feeling bad. We've been living on the road, now slow down, everything will be alright. Don't go thinking it's a big deal, unreal, everybody's free tonight. It's been hard, everything falling apart. Lift me up, get me back to the start. Not to feel good, real good, even on a cloudy day. I've been fine from the get-go, so no, things are bound to go my way. You're still living in your headspace, never gonna come on out. I'm still wishing I could find space, some trace, a lot of words to carry out. It's been hard, everything falling apart. Lift me up, get me back to the start. Take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Lord, I know you will deliver like you do every time.
अहिले हामी बियर लेकमा छौँ रकी माउन्टेन नेसनल पार्कमा स्टिल फ्रोजन छ अहिले स्टिल नाइस एन्ड ब्युटिफुल
दामी
दाइ गुड विजय दाइ
हेलो
यहाँ पहिला हिँड्नै मिल्थ्यो कि भाइ म
साह्रै जोसिला
म त सकिन
कोल्ड
या Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Hat-trick.
Thank you. Thank you.
Maybe
Bless
go again,
somebody.
we should